What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different than I normally do. Usually I'm discussing technical analysis and charting, but today's episode I'm going to be doing a hardware wallet unboxing and review. So today's episode, as you guys requested, is the Bitfi wallet. You can see right here. I did reach out to the company. They did send me this for review. You guys did ask me to, since I've been doing a lot of hardware wallet reviews. If you guys are interested in any of this content and you want to continue to watch on, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, the Bitfi wallet is definitely an interesting one. I've heard a lot of controversy from doing some research on this company for you guys. I'd like to be as transparent and open as possible. I'm not trying to shill anything or tell you guys to go out and buy this. I'm merely just showing you guys a summary of what exactly is going on with the Bitfi, and then if you guys think it's something you're interested in, definitely go pick it up. There will be a link in the description, or if you don't, there are plenty of other options. But with the recent controversy between Bitfi, they put out a program, from what I've read, that said basically this Unhackable wallet, which was being promoted by John McAfee. Hopefully you guys know who that is. Huge security cyber network, cybersecurity millionaire, has told the world that Bitfi is the first unhackable crypto wallet, and Bitfi put out some sort of test to say, if you guys are able to hack this, we'll give you $250,000, and so on and so forth. And supposedly there's been a lot of controversy as to whether or not people have hacked it or haven't hacked it. A lot of drama in between the companies and these security researchers and the hackers themselves. There's a lot of people saying they were able to remove the tokens from the wallet itself. Others say they couldn't. Others said they hacked the device itself, which doesn't necessarily mean your crypto was compromised. That just means they messed around with the device. That doesn't mean they stole your cryptocurrency, so that would still be secure. So there's a lot of controversy with that. I can go way in depth with that, but that's not really what this article is about. Today's episode is about. So I will be posting videos of me actually unboxing this as we go into their website and discuss what exactly the Bitfi offers, because from what I understand, this is the next generation hardware wallet, and they're doing things differently. And that's interesting to me. So we've discussed Ledger, we've discussed Trezor, we've discussed tons of other wallets, Elipal, and there's so many more that I have that we'll do a video on later. But what makes this one different? So really quick, guys, let's hop over to the website. And as you guys can see, I'm on bitfi.com, and I want to discuss and go into detail what exactly is going on with their website, as well as giving you some information on the company and showing you guys the unboxing. So the new DMA2 provides optimized utility, fortress-like security, and absolute ease of use. So this Bitfi cryptocurrency wallet was designed from the ground up using patent-pending technologies to deliver an unprecedented user experience and total asset protection. And there's no other like that. It's $120 USD plus shipping, so that is kind of pricey compared to the Ledger, which is about $69 plus shipping, I believe. So it can be a little pricey, but the user experience was okay. It's a touchscreen device tablet that is pretty cool to handle, and it loads up very nicely. As we've also looked at the Elipal, which you can find in my playlist of cryptocurrencies. Personally, I'd sway more to the Elipal in terms of its touchscreen capabilities. I do like the screen better. I felt like it was more responsive on the Elipal than the Bitfi, so that's maybe something the company wants to look into later on. I kind of had to touch a couple of things. The Wi-Fi was giving me a couple issues, but I did get it to connect. It wasn't that difficult to set up. Truly not that difficult at all. It's very, straightforward. But basically, this radically innovative Bitfi DMA2 wallet is the quintessential expression of disruptive research and development. Never before has one hardware wallet so seamlessly combined such contradictory attributes as leading-edge security with incomparable ease of use. This is the definitive hardware wallet that vaults performance into previously uncharted territory. Now, I do really like the case that they gave me. I'm a guy of extras, which is funny, but they did give us a lot of extra things. They give us a charger, they give us a wall outlet, they gave us a case that protects it, which you can put credit cards, or I'm assuming your 24 seed code, recovery seed. But I now want to switch our focus to what exactly, how exactly this hardware wallet works and why it's so special. So the Bitfi hardware wallet is a breakthrough technology that offers a rare combination of the most advanced security for private enterprises to use, and is remarkably simple to use, requiring no tech knowledge available. Setting up and using the Bitfi wallet is easy as 1, 2, 3. So a lot of you guys were commenting for me to review the Bitfi, so I did reach out to the company. They said they would be happy to send me one to review and share with you guys, because they feel like it is not really spoken about correctly, or not many people know about the technology they offer, and they kind of want to stand out. So that's kind of what I'm giving them, this opportunity right now to really broaden your guys' understanding of what exactly is out there in this crypto space. Like, there's not just cryptocurrency and technical analysis. There's also products that, have been developed as well. So it's as simple as going to bitfi.nox, which I can go to in a second, to set up your dashboard. This is an on computer or smartphone, so I may actually pull it up on smartphone too, where you'll view all of your crypto assets and activity in a simple, intuitive interface. All of the information displayed here is just a current scan of public blockchains. So very similar to EliPal, which we've reviewed before. What's interesting is the only difference I'm seeing right now is the technology. Supposedly this Bitfi DMA2 is much, much, much more advanced than the EliPal. But I do kind of like the EliPal. The EliPal had a camera that could scan. This doesn't have that. This does have vibration. It does have color. A couple of other ones that we've reviewed do not have that at all. So it truly depends on how far they want to add in the extras. But I really want to know more about the technology behind the Bitfi that can really, grasp it as being the best hardware wallet, cryptocurrency hardware wallet, on the market. That's what they've been trying to push. So it's as simple as connecting your Bitfi wallet to the Wi-Fi, and then press sync this wallet ID on your device, which will display a unique device code. Then simply sync wallet bottom left hand corner to the dashboard, enter the device code in the pop-up. So basically you have to, similar to EliPal, set up your DMA2 to the app or the desktop code, your computer code, and then it's a simple, switcheroo like that. You write down your secret phrase, which will pop up on either or. I haven't done it yet, but it's that simple. It doesn't seem that hard. And then they tell you it's ready to use. So here we go. It says you are now ready to use your wallet. Whenever you need to do anything that requires authorization, like sending funds out of the wallet, just press Open Wallet on your device and then initiate the transaction from the dashboard. You'll then see a pop-up appear on the device asking you to approve the transaction with your secret phrase. No matter how many crypto assets you are storing in your wallet, the same secret phrase will forever give you full control over these assets. And of course, the Bitfi algorithm is completely open source, so even if Bitfi no longer exists, you can still always access your funds. So that is very interesting too. Kind of scary that they said, if they no longer exist, you'd hope that it does, and they're selling products, but it's open source, so that does cover you. So now I want to discuss what exactly the benefits are to Bitfi. What is Bitfi is only just a video, but it says Bitfi features and benefits at a glance. So the system with a high level of security must be simple to use. If it requires a high level of technical skill, even if underlying technology is secure, this in itself is a security risk because funds can be lost due to error. Countless people every day lose crypto assets because of the pressing the wrong button or didn't understand the feature, sending it to the wrong wallet. Therefore, at Bitfi, we view impenetrable security as an inseparable duality of a robust design and user friendliness. So the result is that at all times, the wallet latest features without ever having to look for updated software, eliminates the possibility of phishing attacks or corrupt software. So you can secure and back it up. We are continuously adding support. Virtually all available wallets require backup. Anyone who is in possession of these 24 words is in control of your funds stored in the wallet. You are exposed to the risk when you write down and store these words. No matter how secure the location or hiding place, there is a possible The result is that the wallet is controlled, backed up in a single space. The phrase is user created in such a way that it is impossible to guess, but is easy to commit to memory. For example, a possible phrase can be 10 scary things my doctor is not telling me, or why does Shakespeare love Monero? It's definitely an interesting thing. It's saying your private key is not stored anywhere. There's a lot of information now that I'm really, diving into this. You can view all of your funds and crypto assets on your dashboard, which you can find on your computer as well as your phone. So I will be downloading this app after. Native support for Ethereum ERC20 tokens. Bitfi wallet is completely wireless. It's fast, and it's completely open source. So it's definitely a different wallet out there. It says it also supports Monero. So if a lot of you guys are interested in having alternative cryptocurrencies being stored, you can definitely use Monero now to store it on this device. And you can view all your balances on the web anytime, even without the device. So here is the Bitfi wallet. Once I load that up, here's another picture. But all in all, it seems fairly okay. I do want to check out really quick their website to actually setting it up, because I do think that is quite important, especially for you guys who want to check it out. But it doesn't seem like a bad device. If I had to rate it, 1 to 10, I'd probably have to give it somewhere like a 7 out of 10, only because there are some really close competitors truly in terms of the shape, the size, what it does, how to store your wallet, efficiency. There are some other wallets that do it kind of better. Now this is simple. It just seems kind of slightly outdated, I would say. Not entirely their fault, just their color scheme, the way it works. But in terms of the core value, which most people care about, it does seem pretty strong in what it does, and I would recommend potentially picking it up, testing it out, seeing if it's something you're interested in. I do like the size of it. It's not small like a ledger, which can be easily lost. This is big like a cell phone, so it's very secure in the sense it's not that hard to it's not that easy to lose, But otherwise, let me set up this, and we'll get you back when I'm on the dashboard. All right, guys, so I set up the Bitfi wallet. It took a little bit longer than expected. To sum it up for you guys and to make it easier, you have to write down a SALT, which is it stands for something, and then you have to write down your passphrase. Those are two different passwords that can be a long password. I discussed it earlier in the video, but it has to be 30 digits for the passphrase. The first one can be any alphanumerical number that I found worked, and then the passphrase was very, very, very long, and then typing it in on the screen was very difficult to do because sometimes it wouldn't click, sometimes it would click the wrong number, and then if you messed up with one number and you clicked enter by accident, you have to reset the whole thing. But if you can actually follow the steps correctly, it shouldn't take no longer than 5-6 minutes, so make sure to write it down too. But otherwise, guys, you can see I'm on the Bitfi website, and this is what is pretty much shows you after you log in. You can see these are all the coins they accept, and they have a extreme variety of coins. Actually, they have a lot. Did I pass Litecoin? No, they got Litecoin too. They do have most of the top coins, so if any of these coins you want that aren't on the other hardware wallets, this is definitely a wallet for you to pick up. It seems very easy. Now what I've noticed that is different compared to other hardware wallets is there's no recovery seed. As I've discussed in all the other videos, there's a seed that we have to write down. We have to write down some random generated 24 passcode seed of just phrases, 24 of them or 12 of them. You just write them all down. This was different. This you come up with the phrases. You write down this 30-digit phrase or 30 alphanumerical phrase as well as your SALT key, and that's it. It's very simple, and there's no, I guess, software technology really in it. It does concern me, it is Wi-Fi, so that's interesting because usually, that's a signal to something, but it doesn't seem that difficult to me. I already synced my wallet, very easy to do too. As for the currency, very easy to add. Website seems very simple. Ledger their website seems a little bit more, it seems more user-friendly than this. But otherwise, guys, if you have any other questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. And make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up if you like the content, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.